Hi, my name is Abby McFarlane, and this is my part 2 of my creation project. For my project, I made a bakery called Mac's Bakery. The slogan for this bakery will be "Come on in for a slice of home." It'll be a traditional type bakery focusing on bread, cakes, pastries, and donuts. All bread will be made fresh each morning. And all products will be locally sourced, so they'll be very fresh and from the local community. We also will be serving Hatchet Coffee as a partnership of another local community business. So this is a menu that I made. Like I said, we focus on donuts, bread, cake, pastries, and coffee. And in the bottom right-hand corner are our hours and where we're located. So for donuts, I decided to go with a plain donut, a blueberry donut, and a custard-filled donut. The price goes up 25 cents, or about 25 cents, 50 to the first one, just because the ingredients involved. The more you put into something, the more it's going to cost. Next we have bread, and that's the same idea. The more you put into something, the more it'll cost. So a classic sourdough, loaf, unsliced would be $3, multi-grain, and then cranberry pecan French bread would be our most expensive bread. For cake, mostly sell by the slice, and we have a vanilla cake, chocolate, and then a red velvet cake. Cakes will be able to be purchased full, so not by the slice. Also, I just didn't put that on the menu, but that's an option. For pastries, I picked my favorites, so I did an apple fritter, lemon poppy seed muffin, and then a double chocolate chip cookie. These, the idea behind the pastries is they're kind of wild cards, and they could change more often, where the rest of the menu will be more standard and more reliable, but these will be based on what's in season and what's available at the moment. So for coffee, like I said, we're going to do Hatchet Coffee to support the local businesses. A 12 ounce and a 16 ounce. We're going to do drip coffee, lattes, and Americanos. And they're more expensive for the 16 ounces, and it would have the same flavoring options that you would see at any other coffee shop, and toppings as well. For hours, I decided that Monday will be the day off. So Tuesday through Friday, it'll be open 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. And then Saturday and Sunday, they'll just be open in the mornings from 7 to 12. The location I picked is 525 West King Street in Boone. This is where the Jimmy John's on King Street is right now. It's a great corner location that gets a lot of foot traffic, has a large window, so people can see in and see all the pastries and the products. And I think it would be helpful because all the boutiques and the different stores downtown, people could walk through while they're shopping and grab a treat. For prices, I decided to look at similar businesses in the Boone area. So I looked at Hatchet, Local Lion, Blue Deer Cookies, Starbucks, and Stick Boy. I focused more on places like Local Lion, Stick Boy, and Hatchet just because the products are a lot more similar, coffee and pastries, whereas Starbucks is globally known, so their prices are going to differ a lot than someone who shops locally, and Blue Deer just specializes in other things. So the CSR initiatives that I decided to pick for Mac's Bakery would be charitable giving to the local community, and this means that all the products and the pastries, bread, etc. that could not be sold the next day will be donated to a local food pantry or something like Hospitality House or just a food pantry in the area. And also to have an employee volunteer day where, as a staff, we will go engage with other local nonprofit organizations in the area just to show support and give thanks for what they're doing because it's not easy. Another initiative would be social justice. I would want each month a different pastry or product will be made, and 20% of the sales of that specific product will go to a social justice initiative. So 1 month it could be the lemon poppy seed muffin, and all the money that comes in, 20% of that will go to an initiative. And then the next month it could be like the vanilla cake. I think it would be cool to change it each month so that people can come in and know that they're supporting, but also be able to get different things. And lastly, reducing the carbon footprint. So with that, the donations help, but also there are things involved in the baking process that can't be donated, scraps. So all of that to become composted to our best of our ability, just to send the least amount of things to a landfill. And we're going to try our best to not use any single plastic in the bakery. So if someone's going to eat food in the bakery, that they are using our reusable silverware that we put through the dishwasher, just like other restaurants, and reusable cups. And look into like paper-based to-go containers for when someone comes in to buy a pastry on the go. But that is the menu and the initiatives for Mac's Bakery.